Hi, I'm Lisa Shepard Stewart, and welcome to Cultured Expressions, where my passion is African textiles. Cultured Expressions began with the publication of my first book, African Accents, in 1999, and has grown to include two more books, a magazine called Fabrigasm, specialty merchandise, classes and special events, sojourn, travel experiences, and more. I offer 4 different trunk shows for groups, including Quilting with African Fabrics, All About Ankara, and Global Textile Influences. These first 3 are really more geared for sewing and quilting enthusiasts, while African Accents for the Home is more for a general audience and not necessarily for people that quilt and sew, but it's more of a cultural experience talking about the fabrics and the cultures that they came from. A growing list of on-demand classes are also available, and these are open enrollment for individuals. These classes can also be taught as group classes for guilds and for groups again. They include the Ankara string quilt, fat quarter pocket pouch, and pillow perfection. And in March of 2022, we'll be releasing 2 great new on-demand classes, Corded Cabins and Ankara Page. In addition to our on-demand classes, there are also lots of opportunities for live classes, whether virtual or in person. These are just a few of the options shown here, and you don't even really have to be a formal guild or group. You can just be a group of maybe 6 to 8 friends that want to get together and book a date with me, and we can put a class together. We can make that happen. So again, lots of flexibility in the classes. Finally, we invite you to come and visit our studio space in Rahway, New Jersey. It's a whole vibe. It's a lot of color and pattern and texture and inspiration. You'll see a lot of things you don't see on the website. And if we know you're coming, we may even have some refreshments for you. We try to make it a really unique experience. I think you'll love it. If you still can't come in person, the next best thing would be to book a virtual visit. The virtual visits are basically private personal shopping appointments conducted by Zoom meeting or by Google Duo or WhatsApp. And basically we set a time and a date, and then we take you through the studio. You can see a lot more things than are on the website, and you make your selections and we ship them out to you. So it's a great way to shop. It's fun. We have some groups of friends, small groups that or maybe are in different cities, and they'll get together on the same call and shop together. We have a great time. So with all of this inspiration, I hope that you find your perfect way to enjoy African fabrics, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.